Welcome. Are you ready to give your Instagram a fresh new look that's easy on the eyes? Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable dark mode on Instagram, step by step, so you can browse comfortably, day or night. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and on your main feed. Next, look to the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can see your posts and account details. Now focus on the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu or the hamburger icon. Tap on those lines to open up the main menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can control most of your Instagram preferences. Scroll down until you find Accessibility and Translations. Tap on it to access features that make Instagram easier to use and customize. Inside the Accessibility menu, you'll spot the Dark Mode option. Tap on Dark Mode, and you'll see a few choices. To turn on Dark Mode, simply choose On. Instantly, the app's background will shift to a sleek, dark theme. This not only looks stylish, but also helps reduce eye strain, especially in low-light environments. Plus, it can even help save some battery life on devices with OLED screens. If you ever want to switch back, just follow these same steps and select Off or System Default to match your phone's settings. And that's it. You've now enabled dark mode on Instagram. Enjoy scrolling with a whole new vibe that's both modern and comfortable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might like a darker, more relaxing Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.